are, guys, and here is the file we need, ABSTERGO OS. Just double click on it, and after a few moments you will see that we have this self-extracting archive. So you want to extract it to anywhere you want. I'll just extract it to the ABSTERGO OS folder which I've created, and okay, and then extract. This process will take some time. I'll just probably fast forward the video and wait until it's done. So yeah, guys, it's done, and as you can see, here is the folder ABSTERGO OSB where we extracted all the files. So just open this up, and you will see there are basically 3 files we're going to get. So first of all, let me install. Oh, sorry. Sorry. So first of all, I'll extract this img file that I have here. So just right click and then click on extract files. And after this, we have to create a new folder here where we want to extract all this. So I'll just create a folder called abs. Yes, and then I'll just update the path to ABSTERGO OS and then abs. Okay, then I'll click on OK, and this will take a bit of time, so we'll just close this thing right here and fast forward the video. And don't be nervous if it takes too much time. It will take a bit of time because it's a big file, a big archive, sorry. So yeah, we'll wait. So it's finally done, guys, and here is the folder. Let me just show you what we just extracted. If I go here, you will see these files. Now don't mess with these are important files. Now we have to go to how to install, and here you will find these 2 softwares, the Disk Genius and Grub2win. So now what we have to do is go to the Disk Genius and click on the setup file. And after a few moments, and this should pop up like this, and then just okay, accept the agreement, then next, and where you want to install. I want to install this on the D drive. So yeah, never install these kinds of software in C. Then just click on next. It will take a couple of seconds truly. Then it will be successfully installed. In here you have to be careful with unticking these 2 boxes. Remember to untick these 2 boxes. This is kind of important. So yeah, I'll click on finish, and then what you will have to do is open up crack, and you will see these 2 files here. And now next what we have to do is go to left click on computer and then go to properties. If you see here, I have a 32-bit operating system. So you can have whatever you installed. I have 32-bit, so for me, I have to open the x86. If you have a 64-bit, you have to open the x64. So yeah, here are these 2 files we need. You will also notice in here we have the Disk Genius shortcut. So we'll have to left click on it and then select open file location. And then what we'll have to do is from this folder we have to copy these 2 files like this and paste it here. And this will pop up, I know. Just tick the box and click on copy and replace. After this will replace the 2 files, so we don't need this anymore. So yeah, well, we can just launch the Disk Gen from here. Yeah, so just click on the Disk Gen, not the Disk Genius, the Disk Gen. Okay, so yeah, it will take some time to just open up, so we will wait until it opens up. So here you can see we have the Disk Genius interface. It will look something like this, and after a few moments this pops up. This software will also open up, so we will wait. And here is the software Disk Genius, and here is the free space of 31 GB. You can just create a free space of your own or just follow mine method. So just click on create new partition, and in here we have to select this as permanent partition, and in here we have to select the ext4 Linux data, and in the volume label we have to type ABSTERGO OS Lite. Now this is really important, guys. Don't misspell this thing or you will get boot errors. If you misspell the ABSTERGO OS Lite, you will get boot errors, so be careful, and then click on OK. After a few moments, you will see this save all option here. Just click on this and click on yes and yes. It will just create the partition for us. And after the partition is created, let me tell you guys, we won't just leave the software immediately. We'll have to wait a bit of time, then we have to quit. So it's done, and then we have to wait until all the partitions show up. Just a bit. And yeah, all of the partitions are showing now. So now we can exit the software. Now what we have to do is go to the ABSTERGO OS folder again, and then again to the how to install software, and this time we have to go, let me just check, okay, we have to go to grub to win, this folder right here, and then you will see these two things. Just extract this in here, click on OK, it will start extracting, so whatever, just go to this, whatever folder is created, and then again in this, and you will find the setup file. So just double click on the setup file and CMD will pop up, and then this will pop up. You can select where you want to install. Selecting the D drive or the C drive, I don't know. Let's select the E drive. Alright, let's select the E drive and just untick this. Just untick this and just click on setup. It will take a bit of time. And then it will be installed successfully. Yeah, this grub2 setup was completed successfully. Now just close the setup program, and then what you want to do is go where you installed it. First of all, we have to go to Disk Genius again, and we have a bit of work there. So yeah, I'll let the Disk Genius open up, and here it is, the Disk Genius. So now what we have to do is this partition which we created, we have to go inside this. Just double click and you will be inside this. And then what you will have to do is you have to create a new folder here. Just this new folder, and then click. We have to name this folder ABSTERGO OS. So again, in here, be also very, very precise with the spelling, because if you misspell, it will get boot errors. So yeah, be careful. It's just basically the previous spelling, just the spaces are cancelled or out. Then just click on OK, then go to the folder we just created and create another folder here, and this one will be named data. Alright, I hope you won't misspell that, data. Then click on OK. And here we have some work. We have to copy some files to this folder. So we'll select that and go to ABSTERGO OS, ABS, and here these files, alright, the files that probably come in the white type of background. So whatever, just cancel this pop-up, and let's cancel this, and this will start copying our file. This will also take a bit of time, so I'll just fast forward the video. So after this, this is done, and you have to click on complete. And after this, these files will be copied. And now we can close the Disk Genius. And now what we have to open up is the grub to win. Here is the grub to win. Just double click on it. This will open up. A bit of time, and then it will open up like this. Now you have to change nothing in here. We have to just go to the manage boot menu section right here, the button in the yellow, and then click on let me just organize this a bit. Yes, and then just click on add a new entry. Click on add a new entry, and this will pop up. First of all, select the type. Here you can see type. Just select it to a submenu. Yes, submenu. And then the title, just clear this and type in ABSTERGO OS Lite 1.0. Just type this, and then we have to do custom code. So click on edit custom code, and this notepad window will pop up. Let me organize these. These are too much pop-ups. So yeah, so then we have to go to the ABSTERGO OS folder again, and then go to how to install, go to grub to win, and you will see this grub code. And here another notepad will pop up, and we have to go to the edit section and go to the select all. Yes, select all. You can also use Ctrl+A, and then copy this. You don't know these anymore, you can close them. So, and then just paste them here. Yeah, and then just click on the file and save it like this. Okay, so just close this. This will pop up. If this pops up, you think that you have successfully done this operation, blah blah blah. Then just click on OK, and then we have to select the icon. Click on here and select this one, the EX. I can read it properly. Anyway, EXTRA07. Select this one only. Okay, so then click on OK. And then what we have to do is we have to use these arrows and take it to the top position. All right, this one to the top position. And oh, I forgot to say, after we do this, all this, we have to click on the apply for a couple of times, 1 or 2 times, and then click on OK, apply. And you will see that this will also come, ABSTERGO OS, what we just typed, and click on OK. The application will close automatically, and then click on close. So yeah, guys, you have successfully installed ABSTERGO OS in your PC. So do like this video. If you really like this video, MZ Gamer signing out, for peace, for truth.